My name is Kevin and you're learning how to solve Wi-Fi problems appeared as no Wi-Fi available. In case of network or internet connection problems, we see a small multiple sign over monitor icon beside time display. First we click on this and select network setting and go for change adapter option. Here we can see our network cards. To access internet network, our Wi-Fi network card must be in enable mode. So after right click, we click on enable button. In case we don't see this, means our network card is not installed. Now we close all and right click on Wi-Fi sign and then choose the network we want to connect through. Usually we are asked to enter password to connect. But if not facing password field like this, means we have connected to this network before and the password has been saved for multiple access. You are connected now, go and check it out. Thank you very much and hope you enjoyed this video.